And I'm Pepsi.
And we are playing Animal
Animal
Hospital.
Hospital.
Let's
Let's join. All right.
start now.
So I'm gonna be playing as a head nurse.
And I'm going to be playing as secretary.
We want to try to beat 13 shifts because,
Yeah, that was our high score, and we want to beat it.
yeah, hopefully we beat it. All right, we're in. Oh, you look so cute. Talkies, you look so cute. How cute you are. Okay. Okay.
I'm a first ever customer.
Customer, you mean patient?
Booty, booty, booty butt.
I got it. Hello, Simmons thing, whatever you're called.
Scan the form, you take a photo. You also have to expect the photo just in case if they're anomaly or not. So,
But usually the first customers aren't.
yeah. And then you check register, print the badge,
Hello.
take the badge, and then talk to them and see what you heard. Room 1.
I got room 1. I got room 1.
Okay.
Alright, come on in here. Marley.
Yeah. So I'll send my
And
friend.
it's got tank. Oh, Marley, you don't have to say that.
Okay.
Alright, so I just gotta do this. And okay. So usually the first customers have herbs or eye drops. It's very common to get. Oh wait, wrong turn. Let's go. It recovered. Oh, it looks like a Care Bear. Look how cute. It looks like the Sunny the Care Bear thing.
2. Okay.
Well,
I got her. You do register for now.
okay. There's no more customers though.
Pepsi.
What?
She's already good. That was fast.
Yeah, I already did.
Just take a seat. Okay, we're gonna take it.
I'll get the medicine. It's probably gonna be eye drops, I'm guessing.
Yeah. It's always.
I'm guessing it's
Yeah.
It's always eye drops or herbs. Yeah, knew it.
Yeah.
Alright, have it. Easy.
The doctor's arriving. Okay. When the doctor's arriving, guys, that means your guys' shift is over. So you go to shift number 2.
Yeah. Hello, doctor. Yeah, we are the new hire.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, just keep working if things get strange. I want the next coffee. I called the next coffee. Why are you closing it?
I tried to close it on him.
Why?
The security cameras are off. Oh, well,
Alright, let's see our score.
operation.
Good.
Yeah.
You got an excellent. Yes, yes. Who's the best? Yeah.
Okay. So we have our next patient.
Oh, it's a bunny. Hi, bunny.
I get her.
Hi, I'm over here. Hi, Stan. Take a photo. Alright, I'm just gonna take your photo. Okay, you're good. Register. Put your badge. And you have room 4.
Okay.
Go to room 4.
4.
Next customer!
Oh my god.
There's a rat. It's
The
Raphael.
rat's here.
Yay.
Again, that rat is always here.
Well, he's creepy, but he helps us.
I know.
Why did they make him a rat? Why can't he be cuter? Why
Oh,
can't he make him
he could be
cuter?
like a cat or a
Yeah, or like a dog. Dog.
just so empty. I don't know what to do right now.
I mean, the rat is never gonna be infected, so.
Yeah. Medicine. This medicine.
Room 5. Room 5. Next customer. Hello there.
I
How
got
can I
five.
help you?
Oh my god, it's Rafu.
I know.
He's so cute with his teeth.
Hello, bunny. I think this one is a bunny. I think that was a
I
dog.
feel like he's creepy, but he's also cute at the same time with his bunny.
Exactly.
Just take a seat right here. Not in a way.
I got room 3. I got room 3.
Okay, I have room 5.
I got room 3. This is my room. My first. My first. Go to room 5. Just come on in here.
Maple syrup.
Hello. I'm just gonna take a DNA. Do this.
And you guys can leave.
I really want to know where that key goes to.
Yeah,
I think it goes to one of the suitcases.
yeah. If you guys don't know what we're talking about, we got up to shift 13, and that's when all the all the weird stuff happened, and we got a key from a rat. So yeah.
Uh-oh, there's an anomaly somewhere.
Oh, the doctor's ready.
I think my patient was an anomaly. Because there's lights flashing. But whatever.
Oh my god, my sanity is.
Bye, rat.
I'm opening new facilities for you.
Oh, the shop.
The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift.
Oh, bye.
Oh.
Oh. I don't have enough for anything. Order.
Excellent.
There's a better taser. Yay, I'm the best still.
You probably didn't register, that's why. I guess I won't buy anything. I'll just say.
No, it's a Bernie gun.
Oh,
I got
don't
caught.
have any coffee yet.
Oh my god.
Ooh, let's close.
What the heck?
This Barney guy.
No, give him coffee. Give him coffee. Don't like. Give him coffee. He can have coffee. Should I ask him to leave? Should I ask him to leave?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because there's this weird looking. Well, you can just give him coffee without having the cup.
Yeah, but he needs coffee. And like
Do you have any Robux?
I mean, yeah, but I want to use it for myself really quick.
Oh. Well, this creepy
1,
ass
2. I just took 2 sips and give it to him.
No, not him.
Do I just? No, he needs coffee.
He doesn't need coffee.
Yeah, cause
to leave.
see, he needs coffee. Did you know?
What?
Hey, he just wanted coffee. See?
Why is he banging his head on the door just for coffee? Dang. You can buy one at Starbucks or something.
He didn't break the door as last time.
Yeah. Okay, I'm not.
See, that's all you got.
Coffee is not done brewing yet. You just have to have patience, Barney. Barney is a dinosaur. Let's check the cams.
Alright, give him coffee.
Thanks, man. I needed that. I remember this.
No. I don't like you. You're weird.
Get out of the hospital.
He's weird.
Get
He's
out.
like really weird.
Get out. You look like a painter.
Bye-bye.
Probably
Serial
work for
killer.
me.
Do we shoot them?
Yeah, what do we do with these patients? They're probably visitors.
No, I don't think so. I want a gun, but I can't. I don't have it. I'm gonna.
Oh, by the way, guys, door number 8, which is this room, this is surgery. You have to go really fast.
You start with the IV drops always.
Yeah,
Start with
I do
this.
like you. And door 6 is this. You have to memorize the color.
So, like, if on a patient, she has to click colors.
Yeah, and you have to click the colors and like remember them, and then you'll scan
Like
them.
pink. What if I say like pink, yellow, red, and I have to do pink, yellow, red? Yeah.
And number 7, this is the room you have to do heartbeats.
Don't press the skulls at all.
Don't press the skulls, guys.
Don't
Don't press red.
I actually never pressed the skulls, but I don't know what they.
I know what happens. They lose a heartbeat and they stop breathing for a second.
Oh. Wait, you have to like. That's interesting. Alright, put this.
Oh my god.
Throw it in the trash can.
When the patient faints, put it in the trash can. It's probably an anomaly.
It usually is an anomaly. Most of the time. Ew! Smiling customer. Shut up. He looks weird. What would happen if what? No service. Bye bye. Open it. Open it.
You left Dorothy.
What? Card.
I'm what? How do you say her name?
He's twitching.
Twitching.
Twitch. I can't say it.
She's twitching.
Yeah.
That's it. Oh my god. Olivia?
What?
When I looked at the security cameras, her head was all the way back.
What?
It was turned all the way back to her. Like back.
Wait, we gotta check it more. The rat's here. Wait, Raph! No! Why did you close it? Ah!
Raphael, no!
No! Don't leave! You should open it.
I'm
Hello.
Hello.
Important. Okay, stand. Wait, is she safe? Check the cameras.
Okay, her picture is good. Check the camera.
She's good. She's good.
Yeah.
Alright, I got this person. I got what room? Room 8. Okay.
Oh, that's surgery.
Guys, you want me to? If
Bro, the coffee guy's here again.
I have coffee.
He gave it to him.
Sure.
Why
Yeah,
bro,
sure.
you stay off so
Here. Alright. Marley, pause.
So I'm going to show. Wait, the suitcase. The suitcase. We need it. I'll get it.
We don't have the key.
You get the key. I think shift 9 or 10.
But
The suitcase
we gotta
feels
keep
heavy.
it. You better not take it
What
back.
if there's a body in there?
Ew. That would be weird.
Okay, I'll show. Pepsi
We-
will show you guys how to do surgery. So they'll have a timer because surgery doesn't really successful.
Always start with this. Always start with this.
Always starts with IV. What the?
Go help them!
How does he?
Oh my god!
How does he catch fire?
What the heck?
I'm coming.
Oh my
Okay,
god,
let me
where's
check
the
you
medicine?
in.
Where's the medicine?
Goodness gracious.
This.
Hey, your
Scissors.
Let me check the camera.
Okay, I finished in time.
Okay. I was looking through the security cameras and I saw you.
Nah.
Yeah, in room 8. I was looking in the... Oh.
Wait, where's the patient on fire? Because this is the person.
Yeah, it was her. I put ointment on her. Oh, coffee!
You take the coffee. I got room 5.
Hello, my name is Shirley Black. I want to check in as a patient.
I got room 5. Hello, person. Gonna take a DNA.
Okay.
Okay.
We only have one anomaly, Pepsi.
Yeah. I just gotta do this.
I think it was with the yellow guy or green guy that had that weird smile on his face.
Yeah, but there was also the faint one.
Yeah, we need one more person to check in and then we're done.
But if they, so if somebody faints during a fire and they're in that room, they're actually not. They're still a patient. They're not a novel.
Well,
They just faint.
on my floor.
Like, ew, that's disgusting.
Yeah. I'll get room 1.
Okay. I can check in this person.
And I'll go check in your person. Hey, they're recovered.
Okay, take your photo.
I'm pretty good at the heartbeat one. And surgery. Well, I'm good at surgery. It's okay. IV drops make it thermal. Okay.
I'm like kind of bad at surgery sometimes because of the medicine and the antibiotic thing. Antibiotic
Yeah.
thing. It gets me confused.
Antibiotics and the medicine look exactly the same. So sometimes I get mixed up.
I have room 7.
Okay.
Uh-oh, the monster's here.
Goodness.
The ceiling monster's here.
The ceiling monster? Why won't you spray it?
It won't work. Give it eye drops. It needs eye drops.
Oh, the under the bed
Actually, no, it needs eye drops.
Oh! Put it on him.
Now you go look up. What?
I'll do heart.
Is there any coffee? I need coffee. Oh, 16 seconds. I really need coffee right now.
I'm doing the heartbeats with your face.
Okay. I really want to know what's in that suitcase.
Yeah, me too. Okay. Now what? Oh.
I only have 58% for my certainty.
I have 93%.
What? How?
Yeah, I don't know.
We probably took all the coffee.
I took one coffee and I got 93%.
Oh, you took 2?
Okay, let's get your.
There's a phone.
Oh,
doctor.
Finally.
Doctor.
Wait, is this the part when the shop is open?
No, the shop is already
a box.
Why does she have a top secret thing?
Some patients may seem unstable.
Yeah, we know.
Make sure to use the photo and cameras.
Alright, this is where it gets weird. This is where it gets weird.
Yeah,
it always gets weird.
This is where anomalies come in.
I have the taser. Alright.
We prevented an anomaly.
Oh, okay,
Oh, I'm the best.
it's good.
But this is the same as
Wait,
last time.
bro,
I'll buy this.
get the extra bell.
I got the extra bell.
Yay! I want coffee, but I have to wait ages. This one's good. I check the camera. Ah, normally.
Oh God, it's like shawarma voice.
We gotta check the cameras more option.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that was.
Yeah.
No, they just took the cameras down. Can't watch.
Dang it, I'll go fix it. They're just broken cameras. Somebody busted them.
Wait, is this one okay?
If it has like static on it, that means it's broken.
Okay.
Oh, that one's broken. Oh, wait, how many is broken? One camera down. Let me get this camera.
All right, this one's okay. This is a good customer. I checked the cameras.
I fixed the camera.
Very good.
I'll check hers.
All right, room one. Room one.
Okay,
Come on.
check the camera.
I got room one.
Okay.
There better be no wall monsters in here. Okay, there's no hiders. Hello.
Room 3.
All right, have room one.
Okay, I will get room 3 in.
Wait, is coffee open? Cause I need coffee.
Yeah.
I need
Oh
coffee.
my God, that's an anomaly. Look at its photo.
Where?
Look at its photo.
I didn't see his
Photo
house.
had like really human eyes. Bro, look. Pepsi, you just do it on my floor.
Oops. I didn't mean to.
Oh my God, that's an anomaly anyway. Close the door.
What is with all these anomalies?
I don't know. Okay, bye already.
Need bandages.
Hey, I'm here for my. Oh my God, it's my twin. What have you
Twin Ben.
No,
Nobody
not
knows me
like
like you do. Ugh. Wait, there's an anomaly somewhere.
Wait, is Ron an anomaly?
Wait, no, wait, check cameras. This one's fine.
Room 5.
Nobody knows but Ron. Ah, stalker!
Huh?
Did you just see that? There
Where?
was a stalker here. Stalker was here. The tall thing. Oh my God. That's why its light's flickering. The stalker was here.
Okay, let's give you that.
I need more coffee.
Room 2.
I'm gonna buy chocolate because I need chocolate.
Alrighty there. Let's get you to your room. I'll get you set up.
And check you. Wait, is this person okay?
I don't know why you have a suitcase in my room, but that's totally fine.
Take your photo. Yeah, you're okay. Hello, how can I help you?
Ivory drops. Okay.
Roommate. Surgery.
Roommate.
Surgery.
I'll get roommate. That my patient's already covered. I'll get it anyway.
The rat's back.
Okay.
I'm not a guy, Raphael. Good. Yeah, I knew that already.
Okay. Just take a seat. Whatever you are, alright?
Yeah, no, I'm not.
Kenshin.
Ah, anomaly! The smiling one.
Okay, Kenshin, what do you need, honey? Okay, IV drops, always IV drops are her. Antibiotics. Medkit.
Room 4, Raphael. Room 4, Raphael.
I'm doing surgery right now.
Okay. I got room 1. Did he do it?
Yeah.
Surgery? Room 4 needs someone.
I'll get room 4. We have a lot of people to take care of.
Yeah, I'm taking care of someone right now. Okay, patient recovering. I feel like room 3 is the worst room.
Yeah. Herbs and maple syrup. Let's get this.
Taser.
Don't tase him. Or her,
Tase
whatever
you.
his name is.
Is it a him or a her? I don't.
It's a guy because he likes.
Mine.
He had a
Yay, mine.
he had a wife, I guess. He said.
Doctor's arriving.
He said my wife disappeared, so he's probably a guy. There's been a huge
Okay.
guys, get ready for this. This is absolutely crazy. You guys don't need to check in anybody. Just go to their room.
This is where anomalies come.
Me and Pepsi will show you guys what to do. Take the critical
Taser the one.
timer. Take critical patients with the timer only.
Most of
Critical,
timer. Room 1.
Room 1. I got room 1.
I got room 7. Go. Ah! Oh, I have fire.
Make it.
Oh, shoot.
Make it thermal bandage.
Yeah, this is really hard.
It's really hard, but you guys have to try your best.
Oh my god, I'm freaking out right now. There's a death timer, and I'm not done yet. I'm not even done. This person's gonna die.
Surgery. Do you have the fire
I can't do
extinguisher?
surgery right now.
Where's the fire extinguisher? Olivia,
I have it.
give it to
But
me.
I can't right now. I'm sorry.
Okay. I'm gonna get this patient. He's doing surgery. I have to read.
Why is it not revealing? Oh my god, I better hurry.
IV drop.
I can't. Wah.
What is it?
Oh my god, this person's gonna die.
Oh my god. Olivia,
I did.
you have to hurry up before that person dies.
I already did it.
Okay.
Is everything okay in here?
Yeah.
I'm not doing room 6. I don't like room 6. I got room 2.
Ooh, I got it. I'll do room 6. Red, green, red, pink. Red, green, red, pink.
Alright, done.
Okay.
Done with that one. I'm not doing room 3 because I hate room 3.
I'm doing room 6. Need
I can do room 5.
oxygen and a med kit.
Oh my god, this is so hard though.
Okay, just recovering here.
Ointment.
No. buddy.
Alright, finish with that one.
Oh my god, this person. Oh my god.
Ah, my god, of course the skin work. Where? Oh my god. Oh my god. Marley, look inside of him. Look inside of him. I know. That's how you know if there's a skinwalker.
Okay,
Why is he going that way?
you need 2 maple syrups. That's so it's really ooh, that's interesting.
What's wrong?
They need 2 maple syrups.
That's weird.
I know, why do you only have one? They say too much, die. I think. I don't know. I'm not even a doctor in real life, by the way.
Well, we need to fix this camera.
Yeah.
I fixed it.
Let's check the camera. Okay. Oh my god! There's a skinwalker! There's a skinwalker!
Where?
Die! Ew.
Ew, you look creepy. Get out of here. That's why I hate critical patients, because they always have
Yeah, the
skinwalkers.
skinwalker.
I know.
Is this the time we get the...
At what time?
Okay. Yes!
Shop's open. I'm good.
Cat, meow.
I just bought something random.
Oh!
Ah, no!
No, don't close the door yet. There's a person that needs to check in.
That one's okay.
Okay, this could be your form.
I don't like that one.
Yeah, that one's creepy.
Ew. Looks weird. Do you want some chocolate?
Why would you have some chocolate?
Maybe he wants chocolate. Oh, I ate it anyway.
Okay, you can close the shutters now.
Marley.
Okay.
Oh, bye-bye.
We're twins. Oh my god, Arthu's here. That's an anomaly. That's definitely an anomaly. Or is that how? The people with suitcases are hiding secrets.
Why is she an anomaly? I don't see it. She's not an anomaly.
No, the rat's here. He said the people with suitcases are dangerous.
Oh. The doctor?
Yeah, the doctor and Ron has a suitcase.
She always goes through here. I want to know what's in here.
Yeah, I want to.
Don't let this charge.
Wait! What if it was, do you know how the rat said, he lost his best friend?
Mm-hmm.
What if, like, she went to this hospital and she, like, and we know about her? Like, if we recovered her or something.
I mean, yeah.
What if she's, the doctor, or he's the doctor?
Room 8 and room 4. Why is the rat always in room 4?
That's really strange.
Ah, anomaly. We're close, sorry.
Okay, let's get you started. Take your damn Snapple. Wait, what? What? How do Never mind.
Is this one or not?
Pepsi, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. My thing's low.
Mom's here, your twin's here.
Oh my god, but I still have a rat. I've never seen rats do.
Wait, what? The last guy got eaten by the bed monster. Oh yeah, the bed monster.
God, who keeps breaking the camera? Big rats. Okay, surgery's here.
Alright.
I picked up.
I need room 7. Somebody in room 7.
I already did room 7.
Oh, but a new person's in here. Oh, this person looks tired.
What?
Ah!
Put them in the
Marley!
Put them in the trash.
Talkies! The peps. Somebody faint. No, this person is in the fire, that's why. So we don't have to throw them in the trash, because this is actually not enough.
Oh.
Alright, I placed it. Wait, we need to clear that.
She has 5 seconds left to. She said, I feel strange. Oh my god!
What the heck?
What?
That's an anomaly.
Oh my
Don't
god.
do them.
Oh my god, no.
Make a mistake. Marley, make a mistake. That's the anomaly. Still make a mistake. Make a mistake.
I want to.
No, it would be fine. It's fine.
But it was an anomaly.
Because
It was okay.
it was an anomaly, I promise. I don't like that one.
What the heck? What the beat?
There's fire everywhere. What the? Move out of my way. Alright guys, I think we're done with Animal Hospital today. Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah.
Bye.